Traditionally, the industry has used the batch process.
It takes, on average, 12 years to go from identifying a molecule to getting an approval.
When Vertex came along and said, we're going to innovate in manufacturing, it was extremely rare and extremely exciting time.
We saw the path forward for manufacturing was actually this innovative concept of continuous manufacturing.
This is a way to continuously manufacture drug product at a quick speed and supply large volumes of product to the market.
That ability to develop products and get them to the market more quickly was realized in a big way with our most recent product that went from discovery and to the market in less than 4 years.
The time that it took through development was the fastest in the industry.
Continuous manufacturing made that possible.
That speed to market is critical for us because we know there are patients waiting.
To a patient, the reduction in development time is huge.
The fact that Vertex has commercialized several products using continuous manufacturing has encouraged other companies to move forward, also embracing and developing the technology.
We are correctly seen as pioneers in this field.
The people here at Vertex like doing things that are incredibly hard. And we like the challenge, but we also like the reason that we're here. We like doing that because we know it's making an impact.
We're just growing. We're growing in disease areas, we're growing in modalities, and we're going to apply that same fearlessness, patient-first innovation to those modalities, to those different approaches, to the next disease that we are going to conquer with the same approach and the same commitments.